Hello everyone, I'm Storm Tracker AT meteorologist Austin Haskins. We've picked up some beneficial rainfall over the last roughly 12 to 15 hours as our strong low pressure system continues to track to the north. As of 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, the low was just west of the Twin Cities out in western Minnesota, still on the warmer side of the system for the time being. And rain chances will be coming to an end as we go throughout the day today, as most spots since yesterday afternoon have picked up about a ½ inch to an inch of rain. The wind is still going to be with us not only today, but through the rest of the week. So while precipitation chances will be trending a little bit on the lower side of things, at least compared to what it was Monday evening, we're still going to deal with those gusty winds. Could have gusts at times over 30 miles per hour. And on Thursday, sustained winds could be as high as 25 miles per hour, could gust 35 to even 40 miles per hour. So a couple of sprinkles and showers may linger through about mid-morning, but the bulk of the rain should be over with. The afternoon hours, a lot of clouds. It'll be breezy. Temperatures will be coming down a little bit throughout the day, but we're not going to see a huge drop in temperatures. The temperatures as we go forward will just slowly come down. We'll be down in the 40s this evening and then eventually 30s by tomorrow morning. There's some breaks in the clouds overnight. That colder air does filter in. If we get a little bit of moisture to come through, we could see a few light snow showers and flurries around throughout the day tomorrow. I don't expect this to be a major concern, and I'll talk more about that here in just a minute. That'll linger into tomorrow night. Then the low up to the north is actually going to weaken, and another low is going to develop farther to the east, and we could see this area of rain and snow maybe push a little bit further to the west, depending on the track of that low. So I do have a slight chance, if you're along and east of Highway 53 on Thursday, for seeing a snow or rain shower, but we will be still on the cloudy side and, of course, on the windy side as well. Here's another look at Futurecast. They're showing kind of two different pictures with this, but again, afternoon hours, we are going to be basically dry, maybe a sprinkle or some drizzle. That's about it. But as we get into the overnight hours, this one's actually showing maybe a few light-rated snow showers around as early as maybe 3, 4 in the morning, and it'll be around kind of throughout the day tomorrow. Now, the coverage might be, a little bit on the higher end than what I think we'll see, but we'll just have to see how this low pressure kind of plays out to the north tomorrow and how things will kind of, progress, because those little subtle changes can kind of, change the forecast just a little bit. But it's not going to be a big snow event by any means necessary. So those that are wanting some snow, unfortunately, not looking to be the case. We'll get some. We're just not going to get, inches of snow. That's what it's looking like anyways. And the coverage of rain and snow, again, we're in that low-level chance category again this morning, and then again during the day tomorrow, then just basically slight chances Wednesday night into Thursday. Overall precipitation the next 3 days, another 1/10 of an inch or less, and a lot of that will be any rain that falls today. Higher totals up to the north and east. They could deal with some lake effect snow in the UP of Michigan. Now, when you look at the different models for snow, again, it's not showing much. There's a couple closer to a ½ inch, but mostly it's going to be on the lower end of the scale, which my forecast has anywhere from nothing to about a 1/10 of an inch. And the reason for that is a couple of reasons. There's really 3 reasons for that. Number one, of course, how that low pressure plays out and how much colder air and moisture spills in. Number two, the air will be colder tomorrow, as I mentioned, but we should stay warm enough where it could even mix with a little bit of rain possibly. And number 3 is the ground surface temperatures are still on the warmer side. So a lot of this likely won't stick, but we could maybe see up to a 1/10, 2/10 of an inch, the very high end a ½ inch. But other than that, this is going to be kind of a very meager snowfall event by any means. But if we do get measurable snow, that would be the first for the season here in Eau Claire and most of western Wisconsin. High today of 57 degrees. That'll be this morning, and then we'll fall towards 50 this afternoon. Upper 30s. Tomorrow, our high could very well occur just after midnight tonight for Wednesday. We'll likely stay between about 35 and 39 during the day tomorrow. Low 40s Thursday, Friday. A little bit of sun Friday and Saturday. Not much, but a little bit. And then our next chance for any rain or snow comes Sunday night into Monday.